Good afternoon, guys. Today was supposed to be a video on building the truck, but the truck parts are taking a lot longer to get here than I expected. I expect, 4 or 5 business day turnaround, and it has turned into a week and a half now. So I will get those parts at the end of next week, and the next vlog should be on building that truck finally. Thank goodness. I know, right, guys? But anyways, today, if you all watched a few other vlogs, you might know that I have lost my father a couple of years ago. It's coming up on his anniversary of his death, or his passing, and also his birthday is the exact same week. So today I'm here. I want to be able to put this video out there, and if you all could please share this video to try to get the word out for what this video is for, I would greatly appreciate it. I'll never ask that ever again, but for this video, being that it means a whole lot to me, if you all could share it to try to find this truck. So the 1978 Ford F-150, which you will have a little slideshow here in a moment that will start sliding across the screen and get rid of my ugly face. You'll just hear my voice. But it's a 1978 Ford F-150. When my father built it, it was the best build he ever done. Favorite vehicle, he wished he would never sold it, and now for a remembrance of my father, I'm trying to find this truck. It's a 1978 Ford F-150 single cab long bed. And one of the unique things about it is that it is a single gas tank. It's not the dual, so that will pinpoint it pretty well anyways. Fully brown, these pictures justify everything about it. 6-inch lift on 35s is what it was. I believe it was a super lift is the lift that's on it. I do have the build receipts, but I cannot find a VIN number on any of the build receipts or anything that my father had. Or if you guys can't find this truck, or you have a suggestion on how I can try to find the VIN somehow to where I can look up the truck, please go and throw a comment down below. I greatly appreciate it. And also, if anyone can find this truck for me, I will give a finder's fee. Especially, I'll like get an even bigger finder's fee if the guy that owns the truck, I can somehow persuade him into selling me the truck. And if you do know the guy, or you've seen the truck, or you meet the guy that has the truck, however you want to put it, I will bring him cash to try to buy that truck back, so I can go ahead and give it back exactly how my dad had it. And I would honestly probably use it as a daily driver, and this guy would be able to be a lot better build because I wouldn't have to rely on it going in and out of the shop. I'll have my other vehicle. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's really short, straight down to the point, but if you could, please help me find this truck, guys. Thanks. You guys have a great day.